Hey there, Sunshine! So today I'm going to be unboxing the September Birchbox. And I'm really excited to get into this box because I received my the first ever Birchbox last month, but really it was my second box, but it was a new start for Birchbox, and I gave them a fresh start. I gave them a first chance again, and they didn't do me dirty, so I'm really excited to see what is inside of my September Birchbox. Actually, okay, the real statement I should be saying is I'm excited to remember what I got inside of my September Birchbox, because remember, I already opened this, but my memory is terrible. I have the memory of a goldfish. So let's see what I got inside of my September Birchbox. So the first thing that I'm pulling out says, "We're celebrating you." For those of you who don't know, Birchbox is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's makeup and beauty. You get makeup and you get beauty. It is $10 every month. You get 4 to 5 full-size samples in it. Yeah, so with that said, I am really excited to show you guys what's inside of this box because I have a really exciting product to show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna save, maybe I'll save the most exciting product for last. I don't know. I just know that I am very happy with this box. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out, it says Arizona Proenza Shoulder de Parfum. It's a perfume sample, guys. Remember when Sephora Play used to send those out? Yeah, me too. Just kidding. I'm not adding you to Sephora. I'm just gonna let you do your thing, honey. Do you, boo. So I'm trying to open it up. Ugh, it's so hard. Okay, so this is what the inside of the perfume carton that I just struggled to open up looks like. I'm gonna smell it. I'm gonna spray it on the card. It's just a little perfume sample. Okay, I'm gonna let air out. I'm gonna let it do its thing so I can smell it. It smells floral and powdery, and it doesn't smell like the state of Arizona. I have no idea if Arizona has a state. I've never been there. I mean, I don't know if Arizona has a smell. I've never been there. I know Arizona's a state. It's very powdery. It's kind of overpowering. I wish they described to us what the scent was. It says, Channel an adventurous attitude with this crisp concoction of white cactus flower, jasmine, and orange flower that's suitable for spritzing all year round. I would agree that it's not really a seasonal scent whatsoever, but it is floral. I definitely get the floral. That is not a scent that I enjoy being around. So I'll probably just put that in a little giveaway pile so one of you guys can enjoy it. Once I get my FabFitFun for fall, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway of all of the stuff that I've received in subscription boxes that, and a couple of other stuff too that I don't want. I will have a couple of winners, so keep your eyes peeled out for a giveaway that I will be featuring hopefully within the next month. So keep an eye out for that. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Air Femelle Avene Clearance Expert Hypoallergenic Non-Comedogenic. What is this? It says spots, blackheads, and then it says for acne prone skin. I don't know what this is supposed to do because it's all in foreign languages. I swear to Lord, if this is a face wash, I'm going to be a little bit upset. Oh, it's not. It says Clearance Expert Lotion. Full size is $26. This lightweight treatment simultaneously moisturizes and mattifies, all while reducing redness and preventing future breakouts. Everything that I need in a lotion or a moisturizer. Okay, Birchbox, honey, you always know where I'm at. You always know where I'm at with my skin. Thank you for always having my back, Birchbox. Apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed skin. I should just go ahead and tell you the value of the full-size perfume for the Arizona scented perfume. It says $100 to $135. Okay, cool. That's a crazy amount to spend on perfume. Why would you do that? So this is a acne fighting and mattifying moisturizer. Yes, thank you. I'm so excited to try this out. I hope it does a little bit of something. I would love to clear up the blackheads on my nose. Like, that would be freaking fresh, and I would pay $26 for a full-size lotion if it ends up doing that, because I've always struggled with blackheads right here and on my nose, so I really hope that works on clearing that out. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this, and it says, why is everything in foreign languages that I can't read? Why didn't I take anything else besides Spanish? High Performance Hair Care Smoothing Balm, and then there's a little duck. Look at the little duck snorkeling right here. Okay. It says number 4, Jour de Monde Smoothing Balm tames and smooths frizzy, unruly hair for a soft, touchable, polished look. Distribute evenly through damp hair, blow dry, or air dry as desired. We're going to open it up. That wasn't as dramatic as I was hoping it to be. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna smell it. It kind of just smells like a doctor's office. Kind of just has that like doctor's office smell. That's really cool. Then I got a hair care sample in here. So far we're up to a perfume, a skincare sample, and a hair care sample. We do have 2 more items in this box, and I am spelling it out for you guys. We're gonna have a well-rounded box for September. We're gonna take a little bit of a drink break. Look at all the lipstick I have on my straw. Okay, and then we're gonna keep going. So the next thing that I am pulling out is this thing that says IPNK Moist and Firm BB Broad Spectrum SPF 45. So this is a BB cream. Ooh, I wonder if it's going to be anywhere close to matching my skin tone. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit right here. Oh, a lot of it came out. That was a lot. That was so much. We're going to spread it out. Oh my god, it's actually kind of close. Okay, it's just going on my neck now. It's gonna go on my neck. Okay, I'm not mad. It covered up Uncle Fred. Oh my god, like you can't see the redness. You can't see angry Uncle Fred anymore. It just looks so good. I'm so impressed with that. Like I'm actually like shook to the core. I've never really been one to use BB cream, but I'm so shocked at how good of a job Birchbox did of color matching that to me. Like, way to go, guys. You guys are killing it this month. Okay, I forgot to tell you how much that cost. Okay, so it says, oh, IPNK Moist and Firm Beauty Balm. Full size is $29. This lightweight BB cream features SPF 45, plus is packed with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and collagen. Apply for all over coverage in a hydrated, radiant complexion. Look at that color match. They did such a good job. But I can't wait to see what's in my October Birchbox. I hope all of my subscription boxes are Halloween themed. Please let them all be spooky themed. Okay, but last but not least, we have this Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. I have always wanted to try one of these. I literally almost bought 2 of them at Ulta the other day, but I was like, no, let me not impulse buy. I've played with this. I've swatched it already. I've played with it. And let me tell you, it is so magical. Okay. So basically, I'm going to explain to you guys, basically, there's something in here that reacts with the pH of your lips and it will change colors. So basically, as you can see, the lip balm itself is like this orange color. But if you look at the top, you can see pink. That's because of the oil left on top of it from the pH, like the pH of the oil on my lips is still left like on top of this, which is why it's still pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swatch this right here. And if you guys can see, you can't really see anything, but wait, holy crap, is that magic? It's turning pink on the back of my hand. And then if you guys can see in the tube, like that's like how pink it'll turn, because the longer you have it on, like the pinker it gets from my understanding. It says on the card, it says Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm Blush Hour, which is the shade name. It says full size of $14. This ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips' pH to create a flattering pink hue that's unique to you. I love this color. It's so pretty, but it definitely, like, it took about 5 minutes last time for it to get, like, really pink. Yeah, so in total, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in my Birchbox. So I got a hair care item, I got a perfume, which I'm so psyched about. Like, even though I didn't really like the scent, I love receiving perfume samples. I like trying and smelling new things, and I'm really excited that I got that in my Birchbox because I miss having them in my Sephora play. Here you can see it's a little bit more pink. I got a BB cream that matches my skin tone and was full coverage and did a great job. I got this pH like enhancing color lip chapstick. Is it chapstick? Lip balm, which I am a lip balm and chapstick addict. I literally like Carmex. I always have that on my lips. And then I also received this acne fighting moisturizer. I'm so pumped about my Birchbox. They actually did a really, really amazing job again. I feel like I got items that I'm going to use all the time. I feel like I got items that are customized to me and my preferences and my beauty profile. Whereas with Ipsy, I kind of feel like they just kind of throw together a box. So what did you guys think of my September Birchbox? What was your favorite item? What do you think of the color changing lip balm? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.